So what's up, guys? Welcome back to the FDF YouTube channel. So I got home today, looked on my porch, and I seen that my new part came in for the Tiguan, and I gotta say, it's gonna look pretty freaking epic when I put it in there. It's gonna give it like a nice higher end design to it. That's what I got. I got new sport pedals. They're just inserts that you put in. There's really no hardware required for this. It's pretty easy. I've already test fitted them, and they're going to be really simple to put in. To give you an idea, like what I'm going from to that is just the stock pedals. Like, it's nothing special. There you have it right there. Just really simple, really basic looking pedals. So, you know, I've done like a little research online, and with those pedals inside there, it actually gives it like a sportier, higher end look, and that's what I've been going for. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and put this on time lapse and show you guys how to install them. Alright YouTube, so I had to cut off the time lapse because it was a little bit difficult to put these things on, at least the gas pedal anyways, but I got it done now, and I gotta say it does look pretty epic, so I'm going to show you that now. There you go, YouTube. That's what it looks like. Now basically how I got the gas pedal on right here is I just started with this side on the gas pedal, and I like twisted it, you know, kind of like just twisted it over, and then this little black lip right here, see if I can get you a better picture of it, but that black lip right there, it just kind of fell onto it, and then up here where, you know, it goes over the gas pedal, it just kind of lined itself up, and then the bottom as well. So that's how I had to end up doing it, but it was pretty easy. They say on the instructions that you need to use a screwdriver, but I didn't have to, and especially the brake pedal right here, that was super easy. As you've seen, it just went right on there. It didn't fight me at all. Like I said, with this gas pedal here, you just kind of get it lined up on one side, and then you just kind of twist it on there, and then it'll do what it needs to do after that. But that's all I got for today. But I do want to say that I have some more content coming for the Tiguan. I'm not sure what it's going to be yet. I'm thinking it's going to be a stereo system upgrade. I'll probably get the sound box that Volkswagen offers, because I have listened to it in another Volkswagen at the dealership, and I would have to say it does sound pretty epic. So, you know, be looking on the channel for that, or if there's anything else that you think that I should do to my Tiguan, drop a comment in the section below. Also, I want to remind you that if you do like the channel and you like the content and want to see more, I do have a GoFundMe page and a Patreon, which I will leave the links to that in the description below. Also, follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and news about what I'm going to be doing project wise before YouTube does. And like and subscribe if you like my videos. I do plan to make more, and the more viewers I get and the more subscribers I get, it'll encourage me to want to do a lot more videos for you guys. They're gonna get more epic as I go, that I promise. Like I said, just whatever kind of ideas that you guys have, drop a comment in the comment section below and let me know what you think. But till then, stay tuned and have a good day to YouTube. Peace.